Want to make sure you're using the latest version of Notepad. Updating the app can bring new features, security improvements, and bug fixes. In this guide, I'll show you how to check for Notepad updates through the Microsoft Store, plus what to do if an update doesn't appear. First, open Notepad and open its Settings menu. Depending on your version, you may find app information or version details there. If you don't see a version number, that's okay. You can still check for updates directly through the Microsoft Store. Now open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Select Library, where Windows shows apps installed through the store and available updates. Look for a button or option that checks for updates. Select the Update option and let the store check your installed apps. If a Notepad update is available, it should appear in the update list. You can then select the Update option next to Notepad or update all available apps at once. Once the update starts, wait for the download and installation to finish. Try not to close the store while the update is running. When it's complete, open Notepad again and check that the app launches normally. If Notepad doesn't appear in the store's update list, there may simply be no update available for your device right now. You can also open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Install any available Windows updates, then restart your computer if requested. If the Microsoft Store refuses to update Notepad, first make sure you have an active internet connection. Then restart the store and try again. You can also check Windows Update and restart your PC. These simple steps often clear temporary store or update problems. Finally, launch Notepad and test it by opening a document, typing a few lines, and saving the file. If everything works normally, you're done. Keeping Notepad updated is a simple way to get the latest fixes and features. So whenever you notice a new version is available, take a moment to install it. Thanks for watching.